Well, I guess now is a good time as ever to intro. How's it going? It's Jonathan, another daily adventure. Today we're headed out to Port Orchard, which is, if you draw Seattle on a map, or Washington, it looks like this. We have to go from the mainland over. Instead of driving around the U, we're just taking a ferry. It's like 15 bucks. It saves like an hour and a half. Definitely worth it. What are we doing? I'm getting a scooter. My ex-girlfriend had this one called the Zuma and ripped it around the city all the time, and it was just a blast. All I ever wanted to do was like pop a wheelies and stunts, and it wasn't mine, so I couldn't do it. But this one is mine. $300. I offered this guy. He's like, sure, come get it. Apparently it cranks over, but there's no fuel, and he says that it just doesn't start. So, two-stroke motors, how hard could that be? I figure, why not? Let's do this. That's what the dude sounds like out here. I wonder if the Canadian Clipper has like a guy on there going, hey everybody, we're going out here checking out the Canadian stuff, but we're going down to America, so everybody hop out, we're going to Spaghetti Factory and whatnot. Fucking love Canadians. I forgot to tell you about my hat. First of all, these are so dope. But this. Oh yeah, how's that taste? I know where I'm doing now at night. It's pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Onward! Alright, my dudes, I just took a nap because I was so early getting up trying to get to that island. Red Bull! Started. Okay, let's go over it. Found some things that are really wrong with it. Okay, disaster. Got all the clicks. High beam, low beam. Left, right. But this guy's like fucking. It will not click. Ah! So we're gonna have to fix that. This is a disaster. Yeah, so it's pretty much kind of a turd. Yeah, this is like not even attached in there. You can see. Oh. Yeah, that's for me to deal with. We got the little motor. It's so tiny. Little two-stroker. Yeah, I think it's a two-stroker. Sucks. I need to keep this part because it looks really cool back here. It's cracking. Or it's just two pieces. That's the part I want. Fuck. Oh, I have to zip tie some shit. Alright, what's defairing the bitch?
Alright guys, update. I got the bike apart. So far I got the carburetor all cleaned out. There's a bunch of rust underneath here. I made sure every hole worked and that every jet was clean. I just got this like electronic choke, so you get it focused there. This guy, it's really weird. Bolts to it. We'll see what that does. Hopefully it's nothing I can't mess with or learn how to fix really quick. Yeah, you got your air fuel screw right there. Top is the part where that throttle goes in. This guy was at 1.5 volts, 1.4 volts. It's very dead. Very dead. So, it's been my dinner. I'm so excited I can't even eat my food. Gas tank. Let's see if I can get you guys. It's hard to do one-handed. Yeah. So, I don't know how bad that is. I scratched it with the screwdriver and it doesn't really... Yeah, that stuff doesn't really come off. I'm just gonna send it. There's a fuel filter. I'll probably add another fuel filter. Hopefully it doesn't add resistance, but if any of you scooter guys know, let me know. It's looking pretty good. Oh, and I made sure this worked. So this is the return line, and this is the feed line. This has to be vacuumed for this to be open. So that's something. So because when I got it, it was all locked up. Nothing was coming out of it. And I think that was a problem. We'll figure it out. Wait, I'll show you guys. Oh. I get to keep it right outside my door. My roommates are awesome. It's pretty young, 1,300 miles. So, there we go. This is how far I am. It's not too bad. I'm gonna put the carb back on, hook everything back up. I wanted to test the fuel, got it going. I want to make sure that the oil works too. This guy, it's like a automatic feed into this pump right here. It's like every time you twist the throttle. Just watch. That's not the fucking carburetor. It's like the oil rater. I don't know. I don't want to take it off. There's bolts there, and yeah, that does not look fun. I might just pull this guy and then see if there's any oil coming in. Wait. This guy. See if there's any oil coming out. Yes. Cool. Alright. Well, this is still day one. I'm all jacked up on that Red Bull the guy gave me. So, hopefully this runs. Still need to figure this shit out though. I'm gonna break my thumb. No! Oh, I haven't even checked in there. It's gotta be gold. Okay. So I just got back from O'Reilly's. Bought starter fluid because I don't have any gasoline that's working right now. I haven't set that up yet, but I have to choke off. I just wanted to diagnose. So hopefully we can get like just like a little bit out of it. Fucking stoked. That counts. That counts. Buy a $300 scooter. Fix it and get it running. Running. Yes! It's secret, but I broke the spark plug. I broke the porcelain part off. There's so many airplanes over here. minutes later, it's like 9:30. Got some stabilizer or starter fluid. Back from O'Reilly's. We're using my car to jump now. I had hooked up a little LiPo battery for my drones, but this seems to work. Come on. It's alive! Oh, it's a runner! It's a runner!